Hello, today we're gonna make that G.
And I'm making something from Squid Game. Doesn't exist.
So we're gonna use my test paper because it is already record. Okay, start the
Both cannot
video.
see your face.
Hello.
I think I need some. But I don't need that.
Okay. Stop
Go.
it. Stop.
Bow, I need glue.
Always first literal thing.
I'm going to make.
This is my second try. Please subscribe so I can make this. Okay, need some scissors. Thank you. Nope. Not today, baby. Okay.
This
is
hard is to
to cut this.
I need food.
I'm back to continue this review on my TV. There, you can see it.
Hey, what the? I have this because I need a pencil.
Okay. I know it's gonna cut it next. I knew it. Cutting it next. So I did cut it. Because I remembered feels.
Yeah.
Yeah, say hi to some mga viewers.
Hi.
Magtalk ka sa viewers.
I better get this on. Bow.
So we're gonna make some Dak G. I think I'm almost done. Yahoo!
Bow, that cheese is so weird. It's making. It's taking my soul.
No.
If I'm done.
Triangle here. Triangle here. Wait.
This is high dropping. Just putting it on. And then doing this. And then staying on it. Would be nice. And this happens. It's all glitching.
Hang on.
Are you with us?
Just fold already. Okay, next one. Done.
I'm saying hi to the VS. I could say a bit quiet, please. You just need to close your mouth.
Is this Dak G or no?
No, that is totally weird though.
So itchy.
That's so thick.
Waiting for Vin. So please wait. And I'm back with new people. Okay, but science one. Okay, first all this. Please no cutting this one.
Mama, Scully!
Inaano yung cellphone stand. Okay, next part for this.
crayons. Alin po? Alin? Doon. Ito.
Okay, let's continue.
Ito. You want this? You want like na?
That's yung chicken.
Yan na ito.
I knew it, baby. Go.
Just make me so.
Ano ba naman yan? Sandali. Masasave ba to? Kung may save talaga to, mama.
Tapos pwede mo naman siyang kagaya ng ginagawa nila, i-edit mo na lang, idudugtong mo na lang siya. At
Wait,
dito,
no.
Kasi pag diba, pinopost nila, ay hindi nila pinopost, kinakat muna nila, tapos pinatapos muna nila, tapos papakita nila ulit kunyari, tapos na ganun.
Stop
Ini-edit
waiting.
yun. Sa CapCut, pwede yun.
Sorry. Woo!
Mag-sit na nga tayo.
Mamaya na. Ako tapos. Okay, let's continue with the video. Like,
Oras na ba?
Boom.
Oh, pwede tayo magkain.
oh wait. Goodbye. And I'll come back for a part 2.
Yung part 2 na lang.